Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Happy and Healthy Life Recipes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our recipes. Today I'll make an interesting veg recipe, that is chili paneer with noodles. So let's start this yummy recipe. To make the chili paneer, I am taking 250 gram of cottage cheese or paneer and cut it into cubes. Now in a bowl, I am taking 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and mix the dry ingredients. In this mixture, I am adding 3 tablespoons water and make a thick batter. Now adding the paneer cubes and coat them in the batter. I am mixing the paneer cubes very gently. This is now ready. Next, in a pan, I am taking 1.5 tablespoons refined oil. In this heated oil, I am adding the coated paneer cubes. Now, shallow frying these pieces until these become light brown and crispy. It is now done. Now in the same pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon oil. In this oil, I am adding 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Frying them for 1 minute. Next, I am adding big pieces of capsicum, onion, tomato and green chilli. Now, stir frying them on high flame for 1 minute. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons red chilli sauce, 2 tablespoons soya sauce and 1 tablespoon honey. Honey will give it a glossy color. Now adding 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Now mix all the ingredients. It's time to add the fried paneer pieces. Mixing the paneer pieces with the sauces and veggies. Stir frying all the ingredients for 1 minute. Our chili paneer is ready to serve. Our homemade chili paneer looks so yummy. Now garnishing it with some sesame seeds. I am serving the chili paneer with some veg noodles. You can serve it with fried rice, rotis and parathas. You can also serve it as a starter. Guys, hope you like the recipe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and stay healthy.